Blend mango with lemon and you'll never want regular lemonade again. Start by cutting 3 lemons into quarters and removing the center pith. Now take a mango and peel it thoroughly. After peeling the mango, cut it into smaller pieces. In a blender, add the lemon, 300 milliliters of water, cover and blend well. After blending, strain the mixture through a sieve. Once done, collect all the strained juice. Now add the chopped mango and lemon juice to the blender. Add some ice to taste. Now add 395 grams of condensed milk or to taste. Blend everything thoroughly. Once blended, pour it out. Get a mug and fill it with plenty of ice. Folks, enjoy this amazing German lemonade. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.